Hi folks, it's Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Covering today is driving 1 hour a week is enough to pass my road test. Now, we do have videos on this channel answering these questions, but I'm gonna elaborate more on this so you guys can have a better understanding, right? Driving 1 hour a week to take your road test, the answer can be yes, can be no. Now let me explain. Are you gonna be driving 1 hour a week straight for 6 months? Or are you gonna be driving 1 hour a week straight for a week or two? See what I'm saying? So depending on how long you're gonna be driving 1 hour a week for and what you want to accomplish and how it's gonna get done, yes it may, because it require at least bare minimum 50 hours of training for you to be able to get comfortable to take a road test. However, so if you're gonna be driving 1 hour a week and on per week is only 4 weeks or whatnot, so you do that time 10, maybe 10 months, which is 40 weeks, I guess. Yes, 10 times 4, which is 40 weeks, almost a year. You're gonna be doing that almost to a year. You see where I'm going with this? If you're gonna meet up the the recommendation to drive. However, I've always said that, and I've said it before. It's as many times as you can get behind the wheel, the better it is. At a bare minimum, 2 hours a day, 2 hours a day, not a week, a day. At a bare minimum, 5 days a week if time is an issue. If you want to get aggressive on your driving and put it to rest once and for all. And then again, is however you're comfortable, whenever you're comfortable, and whatever the amount of lesson that you can afford, you can take. Is time is not allowing you, because many people are very busy with time. They may not be able to get all this time in their hands to do all these things. That may be an issue. But yes, at a bare minimum, you know what I mean? So 2 hours a week ain't gonna cut it. You know what I mean? On 1 hour a week, that's not gonna be enough, to be honest with you. Like I said, it's all depend on what you want to accomplish. You know what I'm saying? So if you just want to drive 1 hour a week, you got your license already to brush up on your skill, of course. Be my guest. Go ahead and do it. Because you've already got your license. Driving is not an issue anymore. You want to brush up on your skills. Okay, 1 hour a week, that's good. You get your license already. You want to get back. But if it's in the event that you want to get that to pass your license and you want to get aggressive with it, 1 hour a week is just not even squashing the surface. All right, of learning. If you want to get aggressive, get your driver license and get going from there. All right, so if you guys can relate to that, you can put in the comment below. If you can relate to that, put in the comment below. Let me know what your thought on 1 hour a week to learn to drive to pass your lesson. What are your thoughts on that? All right, so if you're new here, if we meet for the first time, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel here we do everything driving. If you're new, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop the video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have any question for me personally, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from the question you guys are asking, from the video you guys want us to make. All right, so we understand driving can be challenging. The more you can get, the more knowledge you can get, the better you get, the better it is for you to not only learn how to drive. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this content, share this video with them, because as we said, if you can give a person a way to get the license here in the US, not in New York, in the US, that will be the biggest gift you can ever give someone, because a license can change someone else. A driver license can change someone else's life. All right, so if that you, please put in the comment below anything that you want to cover, or anybody you can share this video with that can be benefit from it. All right. With that aside, then we're gonna go with our regular left and right driving lesson, as we do every morning. Every morning we answer questions. Make it a right hand at the light here. Every morning we answer questions at Pierre Driving School here, and throughout the day we drop content that is beneficial for you guys, as driving is our priority here at Pierre Driving School. At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn. You're all right. Shoulder right when we're making the turn. For the purpose of the road test, whatever you do contrary to going straight, you must signal all of your attention. Okay, whatever you do contrary from going straight, you must signal all of your attention and verify the mirrors and shoulder on the direction. You make it right there, mirror, right shoulder, right, and verify the direction on the that you're signaling to make sure that it's safe before taking action. All right. The test is not about how you drive; it's how they want you and I to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. You're not going there to show off on the examiner. You go there to do what they ask you to do and do it in a safe manner as possible. So when you go for your road test, it will not be any issue for you to pass your road test. All right. This one is a short one today. I just want to make sure I cover that with the question: is 1 hour is enough? Is 1 hour driving lesson a week is enough? The answer is above. Is really on what you want to accomplish. It's all come down to that. All right. So we continue with our regular day. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. For the purpose of the road test and the one-way street, we drive right in the middle, so no traffic can cut you on either side, because if you do so, they will start cutting you off. And for the road test, it's not going to be in your favor. Always do what is there for you to do, nothing more, nothing less. You're not showing off the examiner. They already know how to drive. They're not looking for that. They're looking for what they're looking for. I want you to deliver and give them what they want. Make the left turn here, left shoulder left, and moving over, nice and smooth. We're gonna do a pull up here. Okay, right shoulder right. All right, right over here. Put the car into parking. Okay, make sure whenever you park the car, make sure you check the car is into parking before take your foot on the brake, on the accelerator. Is not on any other gear. I've seen people do that and not knowing that's what they're doing. You will not be doing that, folks. There you have it. Just been here with Pierre Driving School. Anything, like I said, anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. And this driving school here, we are everything about driving. We understand driving requires some strong responsibility. It is you and I, our responsibility to educate ourselves and the most as possible way that we can, because we are not looking for trouble when we are driving in the street. That doesn't mean that trouble will not be coming our way. By not educating ourselves, by not getting as much training that we can do as related to driving, that's more vulnerable we can come when those trouble are coming our way. Because when I think that this is the best thing to do, that doesn't mean that that's the best thing to do. That's the thing that we deem that is good at the moment that we are presented with the situation to answer it. And later on, that's when we figure out if that was the right thing to do. All right. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care now. Bye-bye.